Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Vantage M2 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the airplane mode on this watch. First, we need to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the back button. Once you open the menu, you can use the up and down buttons to scroll through the menu. Scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and then press the middle button to enter. Here, select the general settings and press the middle button. Now scroll down, find the option called flight mode, and as you can see, the status is off. And to enable the airplane mode, press the middle button, select on and press the middle button. And now the airplane mode is enabled. You can also tell by going back to watch face, and on the watch face you will see the airplane mode icon, as you can see. Now to turn it off, open the menu, select the settings icon, press the middle button, select general settings, press the middle button, scroll down, select the flight mode, press the middle button, select off and press the middle button. And then you can go back to watch face, and as you can see, the icon will be gone, which indicates that the mode is disabled. And that's how you enable and how you disable the airplane mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.